Alright, this is a TRD exhaust. It's just an axle back with a resonator delete, straight pipe put in. 2005 Scion TC.